Elizabeth. Kick it with your foot. Kick it with your foot.
Mom. Mama.
Yeah, Samuel.
Can you help me?
I'll help you 1 second. Elizabeth. Kick it with your feet. Kick it with your feet. Woo. Oh, you want the lightsaber instead? You love your brother's toys, don't you, Elizabeth? You love Samuel's toys? Do you love your brother's toys? Yeah? Hey, big boy. Hey, show me how you can dribble real fast. I'm recording.
Okay.
So we can show everyone. Look at that, big boy. You're doing great. Not with one finger. It's normal. Thank you. That was so silly, big boy. You're doing so good. You are doing so well, Samuel. Can you make a shot? Oh, try again. Samuel.
I'm going to make it sound.
Samuel, remember, I'm recording you. Watch your sister. Oh, so close. Good job, Samuel. Look, say bye.
Bye.
No, to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Well, no, to the people who I'm recording for.
Bye.
Bye.